Terima kasih. Oh, thank you. Bye. This is our room.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. This is our room. 여기서 you can see the steps. Talangalang. There's a little note here. It says, "Note from a gecko. We are not poisonous nor harmful. Have prepared some welcome fruits for us." Let me take you to the bathroom. So once you go through the store, so the toilet. There is a rain showering area. Yay! All set. Shower filter set. Double sinks, which is great. So yeah, that's basically the room. We're just gonna relax, unwind, kind of just, forget the hustle and bustle of Savignac that we were in for the past 4 days. Yay! We got our fins, the champagne we got from Fins. Yay! Okay, we're ordering Gojek, of course. Best part of a staycation. From a place called Kedaton, Ubud. Doing the calculation. Ooh, we got our first Gojek delivery of Ubud. This is how the nasi campurs come in. So once you unravel it, it becomes a plate with some banana leaf, rice, and the nasi campur, like different side dishes. Ooh, even has like a satay. Yum. It's so good. Take a look. Ooh, it looks so good. Look at all that oozy chocolate in there. Ordering some extra snacks from the convenience store here. Everything came. Ooh, Indonesian grocery mini mart haul.
What is this? I hope this is spray.
It looks like lime and apple flavor though. Like a little bit of like apple cider flavor. Ooh. Look how small these Cokes are though. What's the volume? 250 milliliters? Turning on the fan.
bird's nest.
이제껏 정말 이 부부들 어떻게 하는 부부들도요. 그들은 치열하게도 싸워, 치열하게. 근데 이 부부는 함께 하는 게 거의.
This is what the hotel provided. Hopefully no mosquitoes tonight. We're also spraying some bug spray around the bed just in case. Good night. Wow, but it's so quiet. You can hear the nature. Jungle vibes. On our way to breakfast. Or is this the main pool?
That's the pool.
Oh, this is the main pool area. Let's go. Let's go, right?
Right?
Yeah. Let's go. Thank you. We're gonna take a walk here. 날씨가
The supermarket came from down there.
너무 시원하다. Which way? 거기까지 한번 가볼까? Let's go.
I think we'll be able to sit soon.
Yeah,
Yeah, the fries look good too.
I know. We just had so much fries. This is the 3-color cheesecake. Ooh, very
Vegan
pretty.
cheesecake.
Vegan cheesecake. How is it?
Very avocado-y.
빨대 좋네. Mine's very cream cheesy. Oh, was it like it has a sticky texture? Interesting.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll just be second.
We haven't been to a Coco in like 2.5 years. Here we are heading into Coco. Entire cases of bintang. How much is that? Bintang box is bottle box. That's the price. box of water. That price. How much are the soju here? 와, 소주 비싸다 부비야. Wow, the sunblocks are definitely very expensive here. So just an FYI to pack your own sunblocks and sun gear, tanning lotion. This one's gonna be hard to cross, but we'll go after the device, okay? Bye. 이게 완전 매일 할 수 있는 거네요. 그래서 물기를 조절할 수 있는. 진짜 맛있다. 근데 맛있다. Thank you. 근데 막상 들어오니까 좋았다. 열정 스타그램. 그래서 보면 약간 이런 느낌이랍니다. 아직도 자네. They're like deep asleep. Deep asleep. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it smells really good.
Oh, this one smells good.
Yeah, this is we use two kind of spices, and this one we call bumbu Bali. Spices in Bali we using for this spice. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Yeah. Still waiting for the fish. No, it's from nature. Yeah.
Oh.
This already is because we're using like this is to make the fire. Yeah, you can.
After our class, drinking some tea time.